Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. The refrigerator door gasket provides an airtight seal, preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad seal could cause the door to not close completely, a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, or moisture build up on the interior. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the refrigerator door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Alright, so we got here a new gasket, and before pulling out the old one, I would like to make sure that the new one is going to fit just fine. Alright, we're gonna take out the old gasket. At approximately 1/3 of the length of the gasket, I'm going to peel it out, and we're going to expose this little cavity here. And I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver, going to insert it into this cavity, and I'm going to pry out the gasket with the flat blade screwdriver. From there, I'm going to pull out the gasket manually. From the groove. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is a new gasket, and this edge at the back of the gasket is going to be pushed into this groove around the door. Before doing that, make sure the groove is clean. If it's not, then use a sponge and soapy water and clean it. Also, make sure it's dry before you install the gasket. Very important. We're going to start installation from the top corners. Press it in, and a few inches up and down, and then the opposite corner. You will feel how it goes into the groove. And then we're going to complete the top. I'm using thumbs to press it in, and now I'm going to go to the sides and press in the sides about halfway. And then we're going to switch to the bottom, install the corners. And then complete the sides. And then the bottom. Now I'm going to close the door and see how the gasket fits. I'm going to open the freezer door to check the top also. You can run your fingers. So in our case, the gasket is perfectly fitting, but if it's going to be a little bit of the like a wavy shape on the gasket, you can run your finger in between like that and press the gasket with the magnet strap in it towards the cabinet. And you can go along this this side also. Same way, run the finger up and down if needed. And if it's still going to have a little bit of the gaps here on the side, and you can use the heat gun and hit the gasket, but be careful, don't melt it. So if you will heat it, it's going to become much softer, and then you can press it against the cabinet and keep it there for like for a few seconds, and then pull it slightly out, and you'll see that the strap is attached to the cabinet. And now we can close the freezer door, plug the fridge back in, and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.